This your boy Aces for Aces on the Go. I'm about to have some fun real quick on my Ram MOPAR. I got this from Walmart and I'm about to have some fun with my dogs. Ooh, that should cut you up some dirt right here. Let me see something right here. Some dirt. Ooh, look at that. Well, yeah, guys, with this truck, I did a mod. I did a battery mod. If you want to see my battery mod, you can check my other video out. That give it more power, as you can see. But what truck you know burns out like this straight from Walmart? It's not gonna happen. I like this spot right here. Burnout spot. Get it, Cookie. Get it, Snickers. Ooh, nice burnout. Ooh, that was nice. Look at that. Look at that. Burnout, burnout. Ooh, wheelie. Did you see that? That was nice. Oh, run through those leaves. Come on. Burn out those leaves. Burn out those leaves. Without that mod, I would have got stuck right there. Y'all silly. Y'all silly for real. Y'all scared of the truck anyway. Scared of the truck. Look at that. Scared of the truck. Like you really gonna do something to it. Really? With this mod I did, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I went to the park and I got 20 minutes of battery life out of this thing, which I could have pushed it, but you know you're not supposed to drain your LiPo battery, so I didn't want to push it. And plus I don't have a sensor or anything or warning that let me know when the battery is going dead, so I don't want to push it. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Get in there, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I hope y'all enjoy this one. I'm about to put the 808 on there so y'all can get a little final touch of this truck drive. I hope you like this one. This is Aces on the Go. Have a good one.